Welcome to our whiteboard animation on what is an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a set of rules that allows different software entities to communicate with each other. Think of an API as a bridge between two applications. It defines how requests for information and responses should be made. A good analogy is a waiter in a restaurant. The waiter takes your order, delivers it to the kitchen, and then brings your food back to you. Here, the waiter is like the API, facilitating communication between you, the client, and the kitchen, the server. APIs are everywhere. They are used in social media apps, weather apps, maps, and more. For example, when you check the weather on your phone, the app uses an API to fetch data from a weather service. Here's how it works. A client application sends a request to the server using the API. The server processes the request and sends back a response. This entire process is seamless to the end user. There are different types of APIs. Open APIs are available to the public, internal APIs are used within an organization, and partner APIs are shared with specific business partners. Let's look at a specific example. Imagine a weather app. When you open the app, it sends a request to a weather services API asking for the current weather data. The API responds with the data, and the app displays it for you. APIs offer many benefits. They make software development more efficient, allow code reusability, and enable easy integration between different systems. In summary, APIs are powerful tools that enable communication between different software applications. They make our digital interactions smoother and more integrated. Thanks for watching, and we hope you now have a better understanding of what an API is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.